Crystals have the power to boost your immunity, relieve pain, and support your body's natural healing process. In this video, we'll explore our favorite crystals for health, how they improve physical and emotional well-being, and how to easily incorporate them into your life. All the crystals mentioned are linked in the description below. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Crystals are complementary wellness tools and not substitutes for professional healthcare. For any medical concerns, always consult a qualified healthcare provider. Now let's get started. Amethyst, the calming healer. Amethyst is known for its calming and stress-relieving properties, making it perfect for overall emotional and physical health. It promotes relaxation, mental clarity, and helps reduce tension in the body. Known for aiding sleep and promoting deep rest, amethyst also strengthens the immune system. Place it under your pillow for restful sleep, or wear it to help ease anxiety. Meditate with it to clear emotional blockages and improve mental and physical healing. Hematite, the energy grounder. Hematite is a powerful grounding stone that improves circulation and promotes muscle recovery. Known for its ability to alleviate pain, particularly tension headaches and muscle aches, hematite helps restore balance to the body. Keep hematite in your space to support physical health, or wear it as jewelry to stay grounded. Fluorite, the detoxifier. Fluorite is a powerful crystal for detoxifying the body, enhancing mental clarity, and boosting vitality. It's believed to reduce inflammation and promote overall health while clearing negative energies and balancing the body. Place it near energy centers or in your home to purify the space, or use it during meditation to detoxify and encourage healing. Bloodstone, the immune booster. Bloodstone is a powerful crystal for boosting the immune system and promoting detoxification. It's said to support recovery from illness and help cleanse the blood. Ancient civilizations used it for healing wounds and improving circulation. Keep it on your desk to maintain energy levels, or carry it with you for protection and healing. Use it in meditation to strengthen your immune system and enhance your body's natural ability to heal itself. The next two crystals focus on boosting vitality and relieving pain, essential for holistic healing. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these powerful healing tools. Now, let's dive back into the list. Aventurine, the Vitality Stone. Aventurine is known for its ability to boost vitality and support overall health. These crystals come in various colors, with green, red, and yellow being the most widely known for their health benefits. Green aventurine promotes heart health, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation. Red aventurine enhances physical energy and aids recovery, while yellow aventurine supports stress relief and digestive health. Carry it in your pocket, place it on your chest, or use it during meditation to energize the body, foster healing, and create space for vitality and well-being. Malachite, the pain reliever. Malachite is a powerful stone for pain relief, especially for joint pain, muscle aches, and inflammation. It is also known for its detoxifying properties, making it ideal for overall healing. Use malachite by placing it on painful areas of the body to alleviate discomfort. Wear it as jewelry to reduce stress and promote healing, or meditate with it to clear energetic blockages and boost physical vitality. Turquoise, the healing protector. Turquoise is a powerful stone for protection and healing, supporting emotional and physical health. It's believed to boost the immune system, relieve pain, and promote vitality, particularly aiding respiratory health and reducing inflammation. Wear turquoise as jewelry, or place it on your chest to enhance well-being and shield against illness. With these powerful crystals, you're now ready to enhance your physical health and support your body's natural healing process. Scan this QR code or check the links in the description to easily access all the crystals featured in this video. This video is part of our Crystals for Every Intention series, where we explore the best crystals to enhance every aspect of your life. Ready for more? Watch our energy healing playlist to learn more about how crystals can support health and healing.